Okay, now we are going to look into the product pages. As you may know, the product pages is one of the most important pages on your store. It is considered the second most important page after the home page, but we think it is the same importance as the home page, because this is the page that your visitor will convert to a customer. So you have to make sure that you are correctly setting up everything. You are make sure that all your photos are nicely visible, and your description also. And you will see some other techniques to help you to increase your revenues, to increase your average order value. For example, we are going to see how to set up this product bundle, as we call it, or the frequently bought together feature. Also, the sticky add to cart. Also, you are going to see this nice feature right here called the inventory bar. Okay, which animate when you load the page. Okay. Also, we're going to see everything else which consists on the product page. Okay, so let's go over to the Shopify theme customizer. We are already on the product page, and let's see the options that we have. Okay, so as you can see, the product pages offer you some more pages contrary to the collection pages. Now you can see there is options for product pages, product bundle, which refer to this area right here, the related products, which display the recommended products, as it is called by Shopify, through the AI-based algorithm. So it gets smarter over time. So it means that if you are getting orders, if you are getting sales, it will be better performant. Okay. So also there is a new section that we are just added for this theme. These are recently viewed products. So the products that your customer have just viewed. Okay. And there is the option for the sticky add to cart, which it is this nice box around here, which we'll talk later on this video. Okay. So let's check out first the product pages. Okay, as you can see, there is the content block on the top, which refers to the accordion feature right here. So each content block, for example, we have four items here, and as you can see, there are four accordion items. So the first one is the product description itself. Then we have added the reviews, but of course feel free to modify the order. Just change the order here, and the accordion items will adjust as well. So there is an option to ask questions. So if your customer complete this form, you'll get an email along with the product link that the form was sent. So it is a nice addition to have. So customers can contact you directly just for this product, and it is very accessible. Just go click here and give you the option to send it directly on email. Okay. Also, as you can see on the demo, we have put a rich text, which basically is text that you may write here. You may put this option to display anything. You may display information about shipping, but you may put another accordion item below with information about payments. You can split the informations, not just one block. Yes, feel free to add any other blocks that you may need for your store. So you may put here information about your size guides in case you are selling clothing. Okay, even that you have a feature for it. In fact, as you can see, this button right here, if you click it, you'll see the size guide disappear. Okay, but if you prefer, you may put the size guide in the accordion itself. Okay, so let's move on with the general settings. Product title small font. It means that if your product titles are very long, so you prefer to add your long product titles with two lines, for example, or 3 lines, you may enable these options. It will make the font title appear a bit smaller and will look nicer so on mobile view. Okay, so if you prefer to show them, or sorry, if you want to show the product type, if you want to show the product SKU or the quantity, you may disable or enable these options based on your own store needs. Okay, so yes, play with them. Show add to cart button. If you don't want to show an add to cart button, then just show buy it now button. So this buy it now button, sorry. As soon as you click on it, it will be directly on the checkout. It not add the product to cart. So the customers can directly buy this product and just skip the cart purchase. Okay. So yes, there is a nice option to have as well. Show payment icons refer to this area right here. It says also that your payments are 100% secure and protected. Okay. So what else? Show social sharing. It refers to these nice icons which are nicely animated as well around here. Okay. Again, show tags to the product tags itself. As you can see, the filter tags are not showing for this on this area right here. They are hidden by default. So yes, only the tags itself are shown here. Okay. So what else? We have add to cart bottom animation. Okay. So as you can see, the add to cart button animate I think on 5 seconds interval with a nice animation, so the customer, it is something like a triggering thing to do, so the customer can get their attention on this part, and yes, just to trigger the customer to add this product to the cart. But again, if you do not prefer to have this feature, just tell it no animation, or if you want, you may choose another one. For example, you may try a flash animation and see how this flash animation works. Okay, as you can see, it flashes on the screen. Okay, so yes. Also, now we are going to see the options for the image gallery. The image gallery consists on two parts. It is the image gallery itself that you are seeing right now, and the full screen gallery, or the lightbox gallery. When it happens, when you click on the image, it will open a full screen gallery, which your customer can navigate quickly and see your products in full screen. Also, on mobile, this gallery can be zoomed in using 2 fingers, which is a really nice feature to have, to see your product images in more detail. Okay, so let's check out first the image gallery feature options. You can set up the width and height, but again, we do not recommend that you change this option. Only if your product images are not square and you want to change the height, you may do so. Okay, so image border, if you want to show border, the image border does not apply for the big image, but only for the thumbnails below. Okay, so if you do not want borders for your thumbnails, just disable this option. Okay, show controls and show thumbnails. Okay, show controls refer to the previous and next button right here. If you do not want to show them, just disable it. And show thumbnails, I do not see a reason for you to disable this option. Okay, so autoplay. For the demo, we have chosen 5 seconds, but again, you may disable the autoplay feature if you don't want to images to cycle automatically. Okay. Show progress bar refers to this nice animated bar just below when you change slides, it automatically moves at well. Okay, but because we are on Shopify theme customizer, it is not working properly. Okay, so what else? You can choose the color for it, and also there are options for the transition effect, which refers to how the carousel will slide Okay, so you may choose slide or fade if you prefer. So what else? Thumbnail sparrow, yes. These options you may readjust this option if you have in fact many product images. Okay, so in case you have many product images, you may choose a higher value, for example 6, and they will look more nice. Okay, but if you are, let's say, only displaying two or three product images, you may readjust this number to a lower value. Okay, so let's see now the options for the Lightbox gallery. As I said, the Lightbox gallery is the gallery as soon as you click on the product image. Okay, so first there is the animation effect, which you have 3 options there: the zoom from image, the fade, and the zoom in out. Okay, so let's check out the zoom in out. Okay, so first is the product video. There is no animation for that, and as you can see, it refers to the animation effect is the opening animation. So as soon as you click on the product image here, as you can see here, it is the opening animation of the image itself. In this case, we have chosen the zoom from image, which I think is the nicer from the available values. Again, on the video it is not showing. You should choose an image for that and see that how it is zooming from the image itself. Okay, so there is the duration for that, delay, how fast it should be. Okay, so there is also the transition effect, which refers to the transition when you move the slides. Okay, so there are some available options there. You may choose the one that you feel is right for your store. For example, let's try an advanced one. Sorry, the zoom in, zoom out, and as you can see, now there is another animation when you change slides. Okay, so yes, also you may choose the transition for your animation, the duration for your animation. Okay, which in this case it is 600 milliseconds. So let's move on to color swatches. Color swatches are another interesting feature, which, as you can see, are these small circles here. Yeah, if you want to show the default select box, you can just disable the color swatches, and you can see it now. It is a default select box. So I think this is a nice addition to have. They are found on almost all Shopify themes, and as the name suggests, they are valuable if you are selling products that differ in color. Okay, so yes, option name, color. So this is the name that the swatches itself will use for your options through the Shopify product itself. So let me explain it better. Okay, let me show you an example. I think it is better for you to see. So let's check out let's open a product, which we are already on one. For example, we are on the sneaker series 01. Okay, so the option name refer to if you did the option refer to this part right here. So you have added an option for the product, which the name of the option is color, and the exact name, because we have done this, as in some cases, in case your store, for example, it is on another language rather than English, the color may be called differently. So the option name, the one that is written here, you should write here as well on the option name setting. Okay, so that the swatch can be displayed for that option. Okay, use images. Upload your swatch images in your files with this naming format. Okay, so to show, if you disable this option, it will show just the colors. But if you prefer to show images, in this, for our demo, we have just displayed a gradient, a background gradient, as you can see. But another technique that you may use for the swatch images is just take a screenshot on the actual product, a small screenshot. For example, let me screenshot this part right here, and as you can see, we just done the screenshot, a small one, and we may save this screenshot. Okay, let's say swatch blue. So this is the name format that you should write. Okay. So let me go over on the theme customizer, and so the name format should be swatch line blue, where blue is the option value. So yes, this is a name format that you should use. For example, swatch blue, swatch white, swatch red, and so on and so forth. So just remember that the right part after the swatch should be the actual option value that you are using here. Okay, so after you made the swatch images, you should go to your files and upload your, let me open it again, it asks me for login. So you should upload your files on this area right here. As you can see, for our demo, we have already our swatch images there, which are swatch gray, swatch blue, swatch pink, swatch red, and so on. Okay. So now let's go over and see the options for the inventory bar. The inventory bar is this nice animated bar that you are seeing right now, which is set in stock 11 items. Okay. So yes, it is a nice addition to have for your store. It will make your store look more professional if you display your how many items. Also, you can display a sense of urgency if the quantity of your products is below a specified amount. You'll see that option is shorted. So if you do not want to show this option, you can simply disable it. Okay, and as you can see now, there is an option to low inventory number, which basically means that if the stock is below this number or equal to this number, we'll change it to a warning one, and so the customer can feel a sense of urgency. It means that it basically will say that, hey, we are getting sold out on this product, you should buy it now. So let's see, for example, so we have 11 available items for this product, and if you change it, let's say 12, so it means that now for this product we are on low stock. As you can see, it is now a warning one, and it said in stock 11 items. Normally it should be, for example, in stock 2 items, and your customer immediately will feel urgent to buy this product right away. Okay, so a nice addition to your store. Also, you may change here the has stock color. So in this case, we are using the success value, it is green, but you may choose the danger one if you prefer to have it differently, or primary color, which is another good option to have for your in stock value. Okay, let's leave it to the success one. Okay, so now let's see the option for the size guide. The size guide feature refers to this button right here, which appears on this particular option, which is size. Again, as on our swatches feature, you should specify here your option name, size, which again refers to the option that you have specified on the product itself. Again, this is used for, as some stores may use different naming if they are on not in English, may use another name for their sizes. Okay. So just write the exact name that is on your option for the sizes. Okay. As you can see here, we have size, and we are typing here the exact name size. Okay. So what else we have? Button color. You may specify a different button for the size guide. Okay. So we are using the second direct line, but if you prefer to use another variation, just change it here. Okay. So what else? Okay. So page handle size guide. Okay. So the content of the size guide, as you can see here, the content of the modal, it is from a page on your Shopify store that has this exact handle, which is size guide. Okay, so let's go over to pages, and as you can see from our demo, you can see on the pages that we already created a page which has that page handle. Okay, let me refresh again, it is not working. Okay, hopefully it will this time. It is not working. Let me pause the video 1 second. Okay, so let's check out the size guide page that we have already in place for our demo. Okay, so we have already the size guide. You probably should create a new page for that, and it means that the page handle should be exactly like this: size line through guide. Okay, so yes, the exact name, copy here and paste it on the area right here. Okay, so that the modal of the size guide can be connected with the page itself. So everything that is on the content of this page will be shown on the modal here. Okay, so as you can see, we have some text. Also, we put here our images itself. Also, there you may put an image, as you can see here, or you may use an actual table. It will work fine there in this way as well. As you can see, we have an image above and the actual table below. And as you can see, it is the table just below example using a table. Okay, great. So what else? Let's move on. So that's all for the product pages. So now let's go over and see the what we have else for the product page. So we have the product bundle. The product bundle is another interesting feature, a big feature, I would say, for our themes, because it can increase your average order value, because you can sell multiple products at once. So it is something that you should consider for your store. And as you can see, we have called it frequently bought together. Again, this is, as you can see, the products here are just for demo purposes, but you should normally display here products that are related to each other, products that can be bought together and be used together. Okay, so let's check out the options for this section. Okay, there is an option to just disable this section. If you do not prefer to show this at all, just click it here and it will be hidden. Okay, so you may change the title and the optional description. As soon as you disable it, it will hide the description here. Okay, wrap in a container. We have already talked about it. It will take the full screen on the page. Okay, light background. We have enabled it option on our demo to make it stand out from the other parts of the page. Again, if you enable this option, you should play around with the spacing utility classes with the padding top and padding bottom. Add some padding and padding bottom to readjust the layout. Okay. So what else? Title alignment, center we have for by default, but you may choose other value also. Also the title size and the animate class, which we have already covered on our previous videos. Okay. So what else? Product settings. Again, the same options as found on our other product list. You may change the image width and height. if you do not want to show border, disable this option. The title size, if you prefer to show rating, and if you do not want to show price, normally you should have enabled this option. And enable quick view, which for our demo we have disabled the quick view button for the bundles. I think there is no need to have a quick view here, because otherwise you will have many buttons, because this is the buy select products. This button is the most important button for this section. So yes, show add this product checkbox. So if you disable it, it means that these options here will be hidden. So what does it mean? It means that I think you should not disable this option. It should be always enabled, because otherwise the customers must purchase all the available products. So as you can see, we are on the theme customizer. Actually, you should check this option through on the product page itself, because everything is done through JavaScript, all the calculations and stuff like that. So let's test it out. For example, if you disable it, you can see now that the product image has faded away. It means that this product is no longer part of the bundle, and the price have changed as well. So the customer can basically select the products that they want to buy. Even that you are showing 4 products, it doesn't mean that they must buy them all. Okay, they may just buy 2 or even 1 for that matter. But as you can see, now that you have selected just 1 product on the bundle, the discount have been removed. We'll talk about it in just a second. Okay. So yes, this option referred to add this product to the bundle or not. Okay. So yes, discount settings, which refer to the discount that the customers get if they purchase the bundle thing. Okay. So if you do not want to have anything to do with discount, just disable it, and the discounts will be gone. Okay. So we'll tell you how to work with a discount. Okay, to use discount, create for each of your products bundle discount the code exactly as your collection handle. Okay, example bundle 01. Okay, so first let's specify the discount percentage that you want to work for this bundle. For example, for our demo we are displaying 20%. Okay, but you may choose, of course, another value. Minimum products 2, which basically means that the customers must purchase at least 2 products, so that this coupon code can be applied. So as you can see, when you had just 1 product here, the coupon has been removed. There is no discount, when you have just 1 product. So when you have 2 products or more, you can see there is discount. Now it says you can save $50. Okay. So let me show you how you can work out with a coupon. So so the customer can be able to apply the coupon, you need to create the coupon code itself. So for example, our bundle. First, we have to explain how the products are shown on this bundle. Okay, so how the actual products are headed here. So bundles work with collections. Collections. So let's go over to our Shopify admin on the products collections. And as you can see, for the demo, we have created around 6 bundle collections. Okay, so these collections here are bundle collections, and they are showing our product bundles. Okay, so let's open the first one, bundle 01. Okay, as you can see, this collection has 4 products, which are the products, as you can see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and the order that you specify it is important as well. It will order products on the bundle as you specify it. So you have to choose it manually and readjust the order as you like them. Okay. So to display a bundle, you should create a new collection and choose the products that you want to appear for that particular collection. And what you should note, again, it is the handle of the collection itself, which in this case it is the bundle 01. Copy this. Sorry, another important thing you should notice is that for each of the products that you are seeing here on the bundle, for example, even that you are on the sneaker series 1, okay, this bundle will be visible on all the products that have the bundle itself. So if you're gonna check the sneakers 4, you'll see again the same bundle appear as because this product it is part of the bundle. Okay, so yes, let's check out how you can work with the coupon code right now. So let's go over to discounts and let's create a new discount. Okay, and discount code. Click on that, and the collection handle that we just copied, paste it here as the coupon code. Okay, specify the percentage that you have specified earlier, which in this case for our dim is 20%, and we say again percentage value of 20%, which apply to this specific collection. Okay, so this discount that we are creating right now should be applied only to this collection bundle that we have just created earlier. Okay, so click on browse and select the bundle 01 collection. So this discount code should apply only to this particular collection. Minimum requirement, again specify here the minimum quantity of items that we have specified earlier on the minimum products. Okay, 2. You should say here 2. Okay. Okay, let's move on. You may play with the options, with the other options as well. Usage limit number of times the discount can be used in total. Again, play with this option. They are optional, and see to adjust them according to your own needs. Okay, so hit save, and now the coupon code is available for the bundle. So another thing to notice for the product bundle is that product bundle, when you click on the buy selected products, it will not be added to the shopping cart itself. It means that as soon as you click on that, your customer will be immediately redirected through the Shopify checkout. So let's try this. We have selected only 2 products. We are saving $28. Okay, and then let's click on the buy selected products. Now we should normally be redirected on the checkout page. And let's see how it works. Okay. Let me hit refresh. Let's try another time. Okay, normally checkouts are disabled for your shop. Okay, because we are on our demo, we are not have chosen a Shopify standard plan, so the visitors are not allowed to purchase from our store. Okay, so yes, I think that's all for the product bundle. Again, if you have questions for it, we are happy to assist you with anything related to it. Okay, so let's see now the related products, or the recommended products as Shopify likes to call them. Again, these related products are done through a smart or AI based algorithm, so it gets smarter over time. So yes, there are basically the same options as on the product bundles. For you to have, you may enable or disable this section, the title, the description, the container, the background color if you prefer to make this section stand out. Okay, the title size, the animation class, and the product count, which limits the number of products that we want to show here. Okay, so there are the options for carousel settings, which refer to the part to change slides. Okay, we have already covered that on the featured collection. In case you want to learn more about it, just see that video. Okay, carousel autoplay, again the same options, we have already covered them. And the product settings itself, again see that video for the featured collection in case you want to learn more about these features. Also the breakpoint and the spacing utility. So yes, that's it for the related products. I think it is a very nice section to have. Your customers like to see related products for the actual product that they are viewing. So yes, this is a really important section to have on your product pages. Okay. Again, the same options are also available for the recently viewed products. So just the difference is that on the recently viewed products, the products are displayed by what is the last viewed. Okay, so it has the exact same settings for you to change. Okay, so let's check out now the sticky add to cart feature. It is the feature that it is showing right here. Let's try with on the product page itself and see. So the sticky add to cart is not that much value. It has in fact on desktop, but the real value it is on the mobile view, because on mobile view the product page can get quickly very long. And probably if you are having a very lengthy description, a product description, it can get even longer. So the customers can have a hard time and probably forgotten about where the add to cart was for this particular product. So they can immediately add the product to cart through this nice little box that open and closes as soon as you scroll a particular view. As soon as you scroll after the add to cart area itself, as soon as you pass that part, it will show the sticky add to cart. Okay. Again, if your customers don't want to deal with it at all, you can just click it. It will be hidden. But if you again open the page, it will be shown right there. So it is a really nice feature, and it is proven to increase revenues. Okay, and they can choose the product variant that they like as well. Okay, so as soon as you click on that, the product itself will be added to the cart, and the cart modal will be immediately open for the customers to see the product. Okay, so let's see some of the options that it has. Okay, again, if you do not want to show this section, this sticky add to cart feature, just disable it and it will be hidden. It will be not visible. Okay, so position bottom right. If you have other elements here on the right, for example, you may on your store you may display a chat button. Okay, so you may position this on the center, the sticky add to cart, if you prefer so. But again, you should check on it doesn't do anything on mobile view, because on mobile view will take the full screen. So regardless, it is only available for the desktop view, this option right here. Also, the effect, the animation enter, the animation exit. Again, just go to the awesome animate library and see the options that you have there and play with them. Just select do not select a very fancy animation. For the enter animation, select an entrance animation, and for the exit animation, of course, select the exit animation. Okay, but again, just leave the default options, they are working fine. There is no reason to change that. Okay, also the animation speed, if you prefer to show slower or faster. Also there are options for the product settings, which the image width, image height refers to this small image right here. And again, there are options to change to enable the border if you want to show or hide the border, and the rating. Okay, and there is an option to add to cart bottom animation. Again, this animation should be the same animation as this bottom right here that we covered earlier. So it should be not two animation, because otherwise your customers be distracted. Okay, again, if you do not want to show animation at all, just click on the no animation right here. Okay, so I think I was clear for the sticky add to cart as well. And for our product pages, we have a very lengthy video. Hopefully we have covered the majority and the most important parts of it. You have learned how to work with the product bundles, what the sticky add to cart feature means, and how it can help you store to increase revenue. And so we have covered the product image gallery, the color switches, the inventory bar, the size guide button, and probably everything it has related. Okay, thank you for watching. It was a very lengthy video compared to our other previous videos. Hopefully we have covered everything. Again, feel free to add your comments. We'll be happy to reply them to all. Okay, so next probably we are going to look into the cart modal and cart pages, which I think are very important part for any Shopify store. Okay.